Hey friends, and today we shall discuss about OpenCV. OpenCV stands for Open Source Computer Vision Library. We'll discuss its basic introduction, the courses, and the certification. Okay, let's get started. Now, this OpenCV, it's really interesting. It was really interesting to read about this. This is an open source library for computer vision machine learning, and this really offers the support of nearly 2500 optimized algorithms libraries for ML and CV, that is machine learning and computer vision. Now imagine its strength. It is supporting around more than 2500 libraries for computer vision and machine learning. This makes it really robust to detect and recognize faces. They can identify objects, they can classify human action in videos, track camera movements, extract 3D models, and so on. You can also clear the red eye which we get in flash. You can just remove those red eyes. You can follow eye movements. You can recognize sceneries, establish markers to overlay it with augmented reality. So it is very powerful, and it can really help you transform the way we look to the world. Now, what are the companies which are using OpenCV? Actually, are tons, and it is like I start with Google, Yahoo, Microsoft, IBM. There's Honda, Intel, Sony, Toyota, and many startups have also started using OpenCV, like Applied Minds and VideoSurf. So this OpenCV is easily available in your Python package. You can either use it with Jupyter or PyCharm. Now, the applications for OpenCV is that you can stitch street views images together. That means you can club many images together to form a holistic view. It will give you the entire picture, a roadmap for that entire view. There are various government agencies also which are using OpenCV for solving certain cases. Like detecting intrusions in surveillance video in Israel. They're monitoring many equipment in China. Then there is detection of swimming pool drowning accidents in Europe. Can you imagine with OpenCV, you can detect so many real life challenges and problems that we face, like detecting swimming pool drowning accidents in Europe with OpenCV, rapid face detection in Japan, and there's much more application which I found of OpenCV, guys. So now coming to the courses in OpenCV, they have divided their courses in like 4 bundles, and depending on your choice, you choose that course. So this bundle 1 is regarding computer vision enthusiastic, like the first phase. So you will learn computer vision 1 and 2, but not deep learning with PyCharm. So I will next deal with the pricing. And 2 is like you will be learning this computer vision and deep learning PyTorch, but not computer vision 2. Okay. So and in the third and the fourth bundle, it's like you the permutation and combination of all the like options they have made, and that's why there are 4 bundles. So bundle 3 is this, and bundle 4 is like all you will be learning. So coming to the course offering, what do they offer in their course is like they give you guided lectures, videos, explanations. They give you codes with explanations. They give you online labs. They give you assignments. They give you projects, and there's discussion forum to discuss any queries or any questions you have, and the mentors, they give you answers. Whosoever is the expert in that field will be available for the answers. Now I would just talk about the certification. Yes, you get the certification. It depends on how much marks you have obtained during the course. So you just simply receive a graduation certificate if you attain 50% marks within 6 months of enrolling in the course. So this is what certification of completion looks like. And this is an honor certificate when you score more than 70% of the graded marks in quizzes, assignments, and projects within 6 months of enrolling in the course. So this is certificate of excellence which has been provided. This is a copy of it, and this is the end. Now I would guide you through the OpenCV website, wherein we can just explore a little bit about what are the projects that they are into. So you can see there are very interesting projects. I will not go into the details of like introduction of DL and PyTorch, but I will take you to something like Computer Vision 1 introduction if you want to take this course. This is like simply you will build the GUI tools using OpenCV, implement simple image processing algorithms, transform and filter. See, this is so interesting and exciting that you can build Instagram filters in your first computer vision exercise. And you can also build a document scanner application. So these are the projects which they are taking up. Image analysis. In this image analysis, you can implement camera's autofocus algorithm. You can green screen matting. There's detect coins in different methods. Okay, and there's a basic introduction to AI, and you've got some video analysis like build your own object detector plus tracker. So this is the project which is very good when you build your own object detector. And I'll also tell you the pricing, like the average price falls between 25,000 to it extends to 81,000 and more. So the bundle 4 is something like around $1,099. Now you come to this computer vision 2 application. See, here you've got various good projects, like you train a facial landmark detector. You can build a home security system with face recognition and ML techniques. There is like you learn to deploy models for image classification. That's very cool, really. And you train an image classifiers using deep learning. Wow. And I think this is really nice. And this OCR is really the in thing now. So you can just text detection using OpenCV with OCR. It is like mind blowing. It will just add so many things to your CV if you are going really investing in this and you want to make your career in OpenCV. These projects are really worth investment, I would say. Yes, I'm really impressed with these projects. Case study of YOLO, yes, and you've got deploy application that we were talking about, that you set up an instant on the AWS, that is the cloud, and also deploy your own application on the cloud. So you learn the integration with the cloud. There's this deep learning. When you start learning deep learning along with these computer vision 1 and 2, so you can just see the scope of the projects. Like you participate in Kaggle competitions, you train your own image classifiers using CNN. Okay, so you start working with CNN, RNN, and deep learning models. You learn deployment using Microsoft Azure cloud services. Okay, so here you will learn about a different cloud service, that is Azure, and learn how to port models to be loaded in C++ for interface, and then like you're providing and creating an end-to-end AI solution with this. So next I will take you to the bundles. This is what it is, and yeah, this is the pricing of the bundles. As I've told you, that if you're taking only CV2, it is $349. That means around 25,000, 26,000. 5599 will also figure in that range, like around 44,000, more than 44,000. If you're going for this complete burden, this is the costliest, like around 81,500 something. So the range is between like 26 to 82,000. So invest accordingly if you really want to invest. And there are various free projects available online also to be taken up. But if you want to go in a systematic manner, then yes, OpenCV courses are a thing to be done. It is good. If you have time, money, then you can really seriously think about investing your time and learning something really worthwhile with the community, with OpenCV itself, because they are themselves offering, and their courses are always overbooked. You have to join this wait list and you can get 10% off. You can just go to the user testimonials and see what the people are saying, that it was worth it investment to just invest in this course, and now they're learning. And I think I've gone through all this, and this sounds really great and impressed me. So this was about OpenCV, and I'll be coming up with some OpenCV practical videos. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.